You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from Latin, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from Latin pronunciation, Josephus. Josephus. English pronunciation is usually as Josephus. Josephus, although there may be variants like Josephus, but it's generally Josephus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.